Welcome to the 10-minute mindfulness breathing space. In this practice, we'll be bringing our full attention to the physical sensations of breathing, just as they are, without changing them. Directing attention to the breath on a regular basis is helpful as a way of focusing our attention and steadying the mind. Our breath can become an anchor to the present moment, always here, always available, supporting our presence with an open-hearted awareness to whatever experience is arising, just as it is, especially when we feel overwhelmed or impatient. Coming to sitting, feet flat on the ground or cross-legged, spine upright and chest open, head balanced, shoulders down, feeling the weight of the body against whatever surface you are seated on in a dignified posture. Allowing the eyes to close or the gaze to fall to the floor in front of you. Taking a moment, feeling the whole sense of the entire body, sitting. Allowing your attention to land on the physical sensations of breathing, not manipulating the breath in any way, simply noticing sensation as the air is flowing in and out of the body. Keeping your attention focused on the various sensations associated with breathing. Perhaps feeling the coolness of the air at the tip of the nose with the in-breath, or the chest gently expanding, or the belly rising and then falling on the out-breath. Attending to the full duration of the in-breath and the full duration of the out-breath. Perhaps noticing where the sensations of breathing are most available and tying the attention here. Breath coming in and going on its own. If for any reason noticing the breath is difficult for you, noticing the sensations of the hands or the feet can be an option. When you notice that your attention has moved away from the sensations of breathing, simply noting what is on the mind. Perhaps labeling the experience as thinking, planning, or worry. And then gently but firmly bringing the attention back to the sensations of breathing, observing the natural flow of breathing. If the attention shifts, gently bring it back to the sensations of breathing. Thoughts are like clouds in the sky, coming and going, which is the nature of the mind. Sitting in stillness, bringing a gentle, patient awareness to the breath, accepting it as it is. And when you notice the attention has moved away, simply being aware of what is on the mind and then letting go and returning attention to the sensations of breathing over and over. Staying present. In this way, you're allowing the breath to be an anchor to the present moment, ever-changing, ever-present. Continuing with this mindfulness of breath practice until you hear the sound of the bell, which will bring this brief practice to a close.